Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is, what is the difference between the PDCA cycle and the Deming cycle? The PDCA cycle includes 4 steps: plan, do, check, act, while the Deming cycle includes 6 steps. The Deming cycle only applies in manufacturing. The PDCA cycle is a method for quality improvement, while the Deming cycle applies to the product development process. There is no difference between the two approaches. And the answer of the question is, the correct difference between the PDCA cycle and the Deming cycle is, the PDCA cycle is a method for quality improvement, while the Deming cycle applies to the product development process. Here an explanation. PDCA cycle. The PDCA cycle, also known as the Deming wheel or Sheward cycle, is a structured method for continuous improvement. It is widely used in various industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, and services, to improve processes and products through iterative cycle of planning, implementing, evaluating, checking, and adjusting actions. Deming cycle. The Deming cycle, also referred to as the PDCA cycle, is similar to the PDCA cycle but typically include additional steps such as study or study check before acting. It was popularized by Dr. W. Edwards Deming, who emphasized its use as a management and quality improvement tool, while the PDCA cycle focuses on quality improvement in general. The Deming cycle's emphasis extends to broader aspects of management and organizational improvement, not limited to manufacturing alone. Therefore, the key difference lies in the scope and application. PDCA is specifically focused on quality improvement processes, while the Deming cycle has broader applicability in management and organizational improvement beyond just product development or manufacturing processes. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.